So I got these tactical cargo pants that I really like. Let's see where they're made out of. These are proper brand, 65% polyester, 35% cotton, made in China. Alright, so we'll even look at the belt, see where that's made out of. So this belt right here, 100% nylon, made in China. Alright, so just want to show, you know, stuff like this to see that we should appreciate China and how they're helping out America. Now look at this knife I got right here. Let's see where this is made out of. It's a pretty nice knife. Look at this one. Comes out just like this. Let's see where this is made out of. There it goes. Made out of China. So I have China to thank for making this knife, and China to thank for making these nice cargo pants for me.